All right, well, welcome to the demo of eCapture, or as I'm calling it for right now, eCapture. And basically, when you load it up, if you haven't added terms and conditions yet, it takes you to the admin screen. There's basically two screens, admin and home. And it starts off the admin screen. And it basically says if you have not added the terms and condition or the conditions yet, you have to do so now. The way you do that is you update conditions by giving it a URL. And so I've actually saved that that URL here, and I'm going to paste it in there. And so that's going to add that. I just want to show you real quick what that actually looks like. All that is HTML, so you can load it from anywhere. This lets you change the terms of service, or excuse me, the conditions without having to resubmit the app for approval in the iTunes store. So now that we've added that, we can go to the home page, and you see there's our terms and conditions from what we just loaded. And so this is what someone will see, and then they click agree. And then I added all these fields, but the only ones that are required are first name, or name, the name field, and the email field. So if you try to do that, it's going to say you can't submit it. And then you just click send it, and then you're right back at the home screen. That person's been entered, and he's good to go. And so what it does is it saves all the entries locally. See, it says you currently have one entry saved when we didn't have any before. So when you get back to somewhere with Wi-Fi, you can then go to the admin actions and then export emails, and it'll ask you where you want to send it. And then that'll actually send it to my email. I'll get the email in a minute here. See, there's the actual email, and the actual CSV data is right there. Sorry, I don't know if my phone's being stupid. Right there. So you can actually see it'll be rows and rows and rows of data that you'll just have, and you can load that into Excel or whatever spreadsheet application you use automatically. And then, so to clear this out, once you exported the emails, I didn't want to automatically do this in case you forgot, but then you can just click reset emails, and then it goes back to 0 entries. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Like I said, you can actually change the conditions by simply just changing the URL that's right there. It'll say with the right now I see there's a bug because it says there's no conditions, but there are conditions, so I'll have to fix that. But that's it. It reads the conditions from a remote HTML file, and it just collects the emails and is ready for you to export them, and you just export them.